So, okay, dito kami sa public beach ng Panglao. So, get ready with me with the face treatment. We will use sand, very powdery sand. So, let's start. Let's put like this. Wait. I'll just get. Oh, look at that. It's a very. Hola, like this. And then you put it in your forehead. Okay, wait lang. Naput ka sa mata. And then, put it in your face like that. Okay. Very, very, very salty. Of course, it's so salty. Oh, look at that! My face is so brilliant.
Salty ka ng istorya.
Istorya daw ako salty, so isulti na to na. Ay! Sabi na ako.
Salty na istorya.
Akala ko nakaapak ako ng ano ba, Krabi. Dahil taga-comment na ako si Mama. Then, you wash it with your, we wash it in the water of the ocean. Water of oh, this is my baby. This is Kayon. Can you tell what is your name? Oh, amazing. You enjoy watery?
Yeah.
Okay. Aray, kate. I think nipasok sa mata ako ang ang nosi balasi.
Kasi mapasok ang powder mo.
Okay, si Ay, kitok mata, boys. Okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's bye.